Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're cutting straight to the core of consumer transparency with a new kind of product, the wellness patch.
hmm
We're going to be looking at the marketing language around one in particular, the CleraLuxe brown fat patch, to really dissect the claims being made.
And just a quick note before we dive in. This is all educational commentary. We're analyzing marketing in scientific context, not giving out any medical advice.
Absolutely. We aren't providing guidance on taking or avoiding any products here.
Exactly.
Okay, so with that context, let's get right to the claims. This patch is marketed with microneedles that supposedly deliver ingredients like capsaicin and curcumin.
Right. And the promise is that it will activate brown fat, boost your metabolism, and even suppress appetite,
And they promise visible results in just 7 days.
which is a very bold claim.
The most immediate attention-grabbing claim is visual. The patch is supposed to change color from clear to brown.
And that's positioned as proof that fat burning is actually happening.
Okay, so let's unpack that, this visual evidence.
Well, what's fascinating here is the way a visible effect is presented as scientific confirmation. The sources are pretty clear on this.
And what do they say?
A patch changing color is not scientific proof of brown fat stimulation or UCP1 activation.
Wait, hang on. UCP1 activation. Can you break that down for us?
Sure. So UCP1 is basically the key protein in your brown fat cells. It's what generates heat and, well, burns calories. It's the mechanism they're claiming to trigger.
Got it. So the color change isn't proof of that mechanism working.
Not at all. The sources note that discoloration is far more likely from really common things.
Like what?
Like sweat, skin oils, maybe just ambient heat, or even simple oxidation of the adhesive. It's a visual signal designed to look like science is happening.
A visual trick then. So if that's not solid, they have to convince people with paperwork. And the source material is full of these authority phrases.
Oh, yes. FDA certified retailer, FDA registered, patent protected.
To a consumer, that sounds like a big stamp of approval, right?
That's precisely what it's designed to do. It's what you'd call authority signaling.
But what's the reality here?
The reality, as the deep dive clarifies, is that the FDA doesn't actually approve any weight loss patch in this product category.
So FDA registered doesn't mean the product itself is approved.
No, it just means the facility or retailer is registered with the FDA. It's borrowing credibility for a product that doesn't have it on its own merits of efficacy or safety.
And that brings up another detail from the source material that, well, it sheds a lot of light on this. The product is described as a rebranded drop-shipping item.
That is critical context, yeah. It really undermines the claim that this patch is the result of, 20-plus years of research by over 30 experts.
Right. How can it be proprietary if it's available under different labels?
It can't. And that raises a big question about the scientific claims themselves.
Let's turn to those. They say nanomicroneedles deliver these ingredients directly to brown fat to trigger all these systemic effects.
Things like blood sugar control and whole body fat loss.
But the problem is the evidence.
The problem is the lack of evidence. The review notes there is zero credible human clinical evidence provided to show a consumer patch can do any of this.
So no proof it can target brown fat or activate that UCP1 protein we talked about?
None that's been provided. They claim research from 30 experts, but you never see the names, the institutions, or the actual published peer-reviewed studies.
And the promised results, they seem to follow a very specific pattern.
They do. It's always rapid, massive weight loss in just weeks with zero side effects.
And it doesn't stop there. They claim broad improvements in fatigue, cravings, blood sugar, even liver health.
Which is important to notice because, according to the sources, real metabolic treatments just don't typically work with that kind of speed and comprehensiveness.
It sounds like it's designed to hit every single pain point a person might have.
A silver bullet, basically. And the testimonials are flagged as well for using unrealistic claims and sometimes what look like AI-style images.
So after all that, what did this all mean for you, the listener?
Well, I think our deep dive really highlights the need to demand transparency.
Especially with claims about delivery mechanisms and these rapid, sweeping health benefits.
The key takeaway is to prioritize verifiable human clinical evidence. You want to see data attributed to official sources or published in peer-reviewed studies.
Especially for any product promising these big systemic changes all at once.
Absolutely.
So we'll leave you with a final thought to mull over. When you're analyzing wellness marketing, how should you balance a compelling visual cue like a simple color change against the slower, more complex reality that should be supported by transparent scientific data?